Good morning, students. In this session, I am going to teach about cell cycle. So the cell cycle, it includes two phases. One is interphase, second one is M phase or mitotic phase. Okay. So M phase, I told there are three stages: G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. G1 phase, the main function is the cell growth. S phase means DNA replication. G2 phase, preparation for mitosis. So then what is happening in this M phase or mitotic phase? Here the main cell division will take place. Clear? So mitotic phase is the stage when a cell divides. So here cell division will take place. Mitosis means what? The division of a single nucleus into two genetically identical daughter nuclei. It is called mitosis. Division of a single nucleus into two genetically identical daughter nuclei. This division involves two processes. Which are the two processes? So one is division of the nucleus, second division of cytoplasm. So division of the nucleus, second separation of the cytoplasm, and the new nuclei into daughter cells. So mitotic phase we can divide into two mitotic phase. First mitotic phase and second mitotic phase. First mitotic phase, it contains four stages, that is short form PMAT, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Second mitotic phase is cytokinesis or separation of the cytoplasm or division of the cytoplasm. So first one is first phase. This first phase, it includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So now this is an interphase. Interphase means cell is ready to divide. Here you can see this is a nucleus. It contains chromatin fibers. Excuse me. In this first stage, 1, 2, 3, 4, prophase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different things are happening. In the first stage, you can see the chromatin fibers, they will condense and will become thick and form the chromosomes. Second, you can see they are moving to the center. Third, you can see they will separate, and through the spindle fibers, they are going to the end or poles. Fourth, what will form? Nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope will form. And also, after that, you can see here the cytoplasm, it started to divide. In the last stage, cytokinesis or cytoplasm division will complete and will form two daughter cells. Okay, so these are the different stages and we will learn in detail. First one is interphase. Interphase, it consists of G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. So interphase means cell is ready to divide. Here you can see centriole. These are the centriole, the nuclear membrane, the nucleolus, and chromatids. Clear? That is interphase. The next is prophase. There is early prophase and late prophase. Early prophase means chromatids condense becoming chromosomes. So these are the chromatids. They will become thick and will become chromosomes. Then what will happen? Second, nucleolus disappear. Here there was a nucleolus, but here it will disappear. Centriole separate and start moving to opposite ends of the cell. These centriole, before you can see it was closer, now they start moving to the opposite side, opposite end of the cell. Spindle begins to form. What is function of the centriole? The formation of the spindle fibers. So you can see here spindle begins to form spindle fibers. Clear? So this is centriole. Here spindle made of microtubules. These are the chromatids connected by centromere. So here you know there are sister chromatids. There are two sister chromatids. It's connected in the center by centromere. So that is early prophase stage. What is happening here? First, they will condense what is chromatin fibers. They'll become thick and they will become chromosomes. Second, these centriole, they are moving towards C. And third, nucleolus disappear and the spindle begins to form. That is early prophase. Second, late prophase. In this late prophase, what will happen? The nuclear membrane fragments and the microtubules invade the nuclear area. So this nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, it will break and they can move towards both the sides. Clear? So centriole have moved to the opposite poles. Already they reached in the opposite side, opposite poles. The spindle is completely formed. You can see here from here, the spindle fibers is completely formed. That is late prophase stage. So this is centriole. This is also centriole. This chromatid, there is a one pair sister chromatids will tell. These are the Microtubules form a complete spindle. This is one complete spindle. Late prophase stage. The next is metaphase. In metaphase, what will happen? The chromosomes are aligned at the metaphase plate. They all coming to the center. That is called metaphase plate. Centrioles move at polar ends. See, they both reach the polar ends and projects spindle fibers to connect each chromosomes. So they form spindle fibers and to connect to each chromosome. Okay, from the both the sides. So the centriole, this also centriole. These are chromosomes. This is spindle composed of microtubules. Spindle composed of microtubules. Okay, that is metaphase. The next anaphase. In this anaphase, what is happening? The paired chromosome, they are called sister chromatids. They separate. See, it is a pair. Actually, in the center, we told it's called a centromere. Here it's separate, and each one is moving to each side. They are called sister chromatids. They separate. Separated chromatids move to opposite pole. So one is going to this side, another one is coming to another side. Separated chromatids move to opposite pole. Then partial division of cytoplasm begins. Here you can see the cytoplasm slowly started to divide. That is called partial division of cytoplasm begins. That is anaphase. Okay. So chromatids are being pulled to opposite sides of the cell. Shortening of microtubules. Shortening of microtubules take place, or spindle fibers take place. That is anaphase. Next, telophase. Here what is happening? Chromosomes are at the pole now. They reach in both the pole. Chromosomes uncoil, turn chromatin. Again, this chromosomes they will uncoil and turn chromatin. Then what will form? Nuclear envelopes reforms. So here nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope reform. Here also nuclear envelope reforms. Spindle fiber disappear. Then this spindle fiber, it will become shortened and it will disappear here. That is called telophase. So nuclear membrane is returning. So nuclear membrane came, same like a cytoplasmist construction. You can see it started to divide and this will become two daughter cells. Yes. So the next is cytokinesis. It means division of the cytoplasm. Occurs at the end of mitosis. That is now cytoplasm division completed and became two daughter cells. Okay, now again cells return to interphase. So in animal cells, a cleavage furrow separates the daughter cells. What will separate? Like cleavage furrow, it separates the daughter cells. But in plant cell, a cell plate separates the daughter cell. Cell plate separates the daughter cells. That is the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Daughter cells are genetically identical. So these are the two daughter cells. They are genetically identical. They are resembling their parents. Thank you, students.